Gives thanks to the purple water grass. All the man them when I urinate or urinate too often. All of the ladies them have fibroid issue. Yeah man, tumors, all these things. The purple water grass. These are they're resilient plants. You see, these plants you can put them down, you can't kill them. Put it like that. They're like almost impossible to die. So that's why you know that when you see plants are like that, you know they are high medicinal. They talk about cancer fighting properties. Because you can carry this in your house and put it down and for months.